Hello from Slovenia again. I have this 8 by 8 inch canvas today, and last week I bought some Pentart things, and I bought this Pentart creamy paints, and I really like this one. It says ice blue, but it's more like a periwinkle kind of color. And I will do a reverse flower dip, and I will use this for a background, and permanent blue violet, Amsterdam Ultramarine violet, Pebeo iridescent precious gold, Pebeo Naples yellow red light, and of course my pearl white. And I will do a flower dip with puddles today, like I did yesterday on these little coasters, kind of. I will just spread my paint evenly on the canvas. And I'm looking today I'm looking for kind of little flower, or how can I say, I will show you what I mean. I will not do a lot of puddles for petals. I will go more for, and I will add some gold for kind of leaves. I will not add green because I just don't want green here. This is just my opinion. I don't know. So my base coat is done, and I will torch it a little bit for the air bubbles. Just have to wipe my hands. So holidays are coming. If you have some ideas that maybe I can try to do, I will definitely do some marbling, bowls marbling, Christmas ornaments and some kind of stuff. And now I will just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puddles. And pearl white. And ultramarine. Oop. This one seems a little thicker because it was in my squeeze bottles for some time, and obviously I should check it. Okay, and pearl white again. And this Naples. I didn't check my squeeze bottles, and I should have before I started. Okay, and now I will go here between those petals. Where is the pearl, my pearl white? pearl white again. Naples. And gold. And I will go with gold like here. And some pearl white. And just gold again. Okay. Grab a skewer. So let's see. I will definitely go like that. I will just connect those two here. I never done a pattern like that before, so I really don't know how this will work or not. Okay, I will spray my paper napkin with water. Soften it down. Do the napkin part. Half. The other half. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll pour some paint around because I did pull it quite a lot off. Smooth this out a little bit. It will level out while drying, but just to help. I like it. Maybe I will just try to give it one little spin. Just to stretch it out a little bit. Okay. It's kind of an iris flower. So here it is. I really like it. I want to try a little different for this part next time. Maybe 2 of them or 3, but otherwise gorgeous. I can't wait to see it dry. So this is it for today. This is a really easy technique if you want to try. And if you have some wishes about trying, I don't know, different backgrounds, tell me in the comments what combination you would love to see. And see you on the next one. Bye!